Alright, so if you're new to my channel, I do moto vlog videos and I do a lot of stuff with Moonshine as far as showing some of their products and stuff. I am headed into a Hog Chapter meeting. You are going to get an inside look tonight at what one of our officer chapter meetings looks like. Let's head on in.
No, come on.
No, because what I'm saying is,
So,
yeah, it was 15 minutes.
Roddy's just now telling me about
It's gonna be really cool.
one of my videos that he watched and had a crotch shot in it. So he's about to tell me something else. Go ahead, Roddy. Floor's all yours.
He's done now.
I ain't saying it now, so.
Roddy said more lower crotch shots.
Now Ryan said, wait, are we live? Wait, are we live right now?
All kind of little furry things on our seats.
When you film a nude scene in the movies, they call that a merkin.
Merkin.
Oh, is that what it is?
And so on Jerry's video, that's what his sheepskin seat cover looks like, is a oversized merkin.
Or a European merkin.
Or a European merkin.
Yeah.
Depending on what decade
You know,
you're in, right?
you know it's oversized for a reason, right?
This is where the rating goes from PG to PG-13, and then I started having to go. The only time I've ever heard of a merkin is Five Dirty Biker podcast.
There's a picture of me in that hat on Facebook.
So it's going to say there's a picture of him in a merkin.
Didn't you post it?
Yeah, I tagged you in it.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Anyway, that's what this y'all's sheepskin seat cover looks like, or reminds me of.
Reminds you.
Furry undersection.
Christina's got one.
I'm gonna tell you, I was not
I mean, you may have
I was
one
not
too,
a believer,
I've
not at all.
said-
No, when we got to
I have to
Sturgis,
talk to myself.
He
Sorry.
dumped my ass on
When-
the ground when
That's-
I bounced over Christina's
she
front
did.
wheel.
But when we got to Sturgis, they were selling a bunch of stuff, and that was the thing she'd heard about. It keeps, if it's hot outside, it keeps you cool. If it's cold outside, it keeps you comfortable. But here's the thing: it has absolutely. There's a very thin but comfortable cushion of air between your butt and the seat and the saddle.
Sure.
And it is wicked comfortable. Unbelievably comfortable.
Totally.
When we went out to the lake that day and Jenkins was there with us,
Yeah.
and he's giving me left and right about that thing, and I'm like, dude, till you put your ass on that, you have no idea.
So he put his ass on.
No, he did not. actually, he and Scott both were talking about it, and I'm like, look, until you ride for 300 miles with that thing under your butt, you have no idea how comfortable.
Did you just say they double your seat?
No, I did not. No, you said that. I did not.
Okay, I was just checking. Just double checking. It looks like to me that you would slide off of it.
No. Well, so somebody wanted to walk up and steal
But
it?
you don't slide.
Do you hook
No,
it on the front? You hook it on the front? Does
Nope.
it have a strap on the...
It does not.
Oh, that's the reason
Don't-
it flaps.
Does not
Don't-
have a strap on.
It does not. Don't. I was going there. Thanks, baby. I appreciate that. There's nothing resembling a strap on my bike.
Allegedly.
Yes.
Anyway, so no, it doesn't slide around or anything because the bottom of it's rawhide, right? So is the rawhide from the sheet, so it doesn't move at all.
All right, so that's a little bit of the Hog Chapter meeting. I had to get out of there. I've got to run home because I've got to upload this video. I got to get it edited and put it together. I'll tell you what, guys, Rob and I have more. Let me get in front of this light right here. Rob and I have more stuff coming out on the 2021s. The way that I've been told those bikes are coming in is they ordered a bunch of them, and Harley's just kind of sending the bikes as they get them in. So they know what they've ordered, but they don't necessarily know what's coming in until it shows up or right before, hey, you're probably getting this. At least that's for the time being. I'm sure that'll change down the road. But as soon as those bikes come in, Rob and I are going to do more videos up there at Moonshine. hopefully I'll do a couple of first impression videos of some of these 2021s and you know, kind of maybe and kind of go over what has changed on some of these bikes. So I'll do the first looks as they come off the truck, and then maybe if we have something and we've got more information about, hey, here's what's changed on this bike for 2021, and we'll go over that stuff as well. I appreciate you guys watching today's episode. If you have not already, click that like button. If you like this motorcycle content, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone. Look, I've got...
Oh, stall.